It's all about following your passions. So if sewing and designing and creating your own collection is your passion, so in this video I'll be talking about the professional boxing shorts patterns that I have released and launched on my website. There are unisex professional boxing shorts for ladies and men, as well as the Muay Thai kickboxing shorts. Doing the actual Muay Thai kickboxing shorts as well, because my K-Leg boxing short collection has taken off so well. It is one of my best sellers. So me being a spiritual entrepreneur is about helping you to step into your talents, your skills, so you can create a collection and actually offer this beautiful professional collection to people out there that are in the boxing industry, that are looking for boxing shorts. And this can definitely be, without a doubt, a sustainable business for you, something that will grow with you as you evolve with your collections and knowing more or less what direction you're going in, whether it's unisex, just for men, or it's the Muay Thai kickboxing. So I'll leave the link down below of all the new boxing short patterns that have come out, as well as all the previous videos. Create a boxing collection and turn it into an absolutely sustainable business. If you identify with this kind of content, then please don't forget to subscribe and press the share button down below. Hi, my name is Tania Sutherland, and being from a spiritual fashion designer, and what I offer is a complete self-discovery journey through my self-alignment transformation coaching, which has 4 pillars. The one is about your style, self-identity, would be about self-confidence. The 4th pillar, which is so amazing and exciting part, and spiritual alignment. It covers meditation, creative visualization. You can be the best version of your higher self. As a side note, with 36 years of experience of being a spiritual fashion designer, I still love my fashion. So I have an entire collection of clothing patterns. On Tuesdays I talk about my patterns, and I love to share my many years of skills and knowledge with other fashion entrepreneurs and fashion designers who can take my patterns and the knowledge that I've put together to either start a business or to take this and add it into a business for them to create another income, as well as they can become an affiliate on my website. So stay connected. I have also done the actual sewing tutorials of all the new unisex boxing shorts, as well as the Muay Thai, so you can actually see how to make it up, so you can get through the whole sewing construction a lot quicker and get into your manufacturing, and before you know it, you can be selling for all those orders that you'll be getting. I'd love to hear any feedback of you making the shorts yourself, and let us know how it's going for you. The next lot of videos that I'll be bringing up, which can also an amazing opportunity for you fashion designers. It's all about the yoga and kundalini attire. You'll be seeing the samples will be all made in the chakra colors, because my future videos will be a lot about color and your chakras,